Welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a deep dive into one of the most iconic luxury SUVs on the planet, the 2025 Mercedes-Benz G-Wagon. Known for its unmistakable boxy silhouette, off-road prowess, and ultra-luxurious interior, the G-Class continues to redefine what it means to drive a status symbol with substance. In this video, we'll walk you through every detail of this latest model, from design to performance, and tell you if it's worth your money in 2025. Let's begin with the first impression, the exterior. At first glance, the 2025 G-Wagon stays true to its roots, retaining that classic upright shape, flat body panels, and bold stance. But look closer, and the updates become evident. The front fascia now features a sleeker, more integrated LED headlight design with adaptive matrix technology. The grille has been slightly refined with sharper contours, and while it still wears the proud three-pointed star front and center, the edges are more aerodynamic. The bumper has been subtly redesigned with enhanced air intakes for improved cooling and efficiency, and the entire front section feels more modern yet unmistakably G-Wagon. Moving to the side profile, you'll notice the familiar squared-off design that enthusiasts love, but there are some new elements. The door hinges remain exposed as a nod to its utilitarian roots, but the flush door handles are a new addition for 2025, helping slightly improve aerodynamics. New 21 and 22-inch alloy wheel options give the G-Wagon an even more commanding presence. The flared wheel arches and robust side steps remain, keeping its off-road character alive. Mercedes has also added more vibrant and matte exterior color options for 2025, letting owners better express their individuality. Around the back, the story continues with a refined touch. The signature rear-mounted spare tire remains, but now with a redesigned cover featuring an LED-lit Mercedes emblem. The taillights have been slimmed and reshaped for a more high-tech appearance, and the rear bumper has been re-engineered to improve departure angles. Small tweaks in proportions help the SUV maintain its boxy character while evolving subtly to suit modern luxury tastes. Step inside, and the G-Wagon's transformation becomes fully apparent. The 2025 model embraces digital sophistication without losing its rugged charm. You're greeted with a stunning widescreen MBX infotainment system that now spans nearly the entire dashboard, merging seamlessly with the driver display. The touch sensitivity has been improved, and the system now supports natural voice commands even more accurately. Ambient lighting, available in up to 64 colors, runs along the dashboard, doors, and footwells, offering a cabin experience that's more lounge than truck. The seats, wrapped in Napa leather or optional vegan alternatives, are supremely comfortable and now come with additional massaging functions. Rear passengers enjoy increased legroom, thanks to a slight adjustment in the wheelbase. And yes, the signature thunk of the door close is still present, reaffirming the tank-like build quality. Sound insulation has been improved, making highway cruising almost eerily quiet for a vehicle with such a boxy design. Every material, from the aluminum switchgear to the wood or carbon fiber trim, feels solid and luxurious. Mercedes has also added new biometric driver settings, allowing you to customize your seat, climate, and infotainment profile just by sitting behind the wheel. When it comes to performance, the 2025 G-Wagon doesn't disappoint. Under the hood of the G550 variant, you'll find a 3.0-liter inline-six turbocharged engine paired with a 48-volt mild hybrid system, delivering a healthy 443 horsepower and 413 lb-ft of torque. If that's not enough, the AMG G63 offers a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 with a monstrous 585 horsepower, capable of launching this SUV from 0 to 60 in just under 4.5 seconds. Despite its boxy shape and nearly 6,000-pound curb weight, the G-Wagon drives with an impressive sense of agility, thanks in part to a revised suspension system and improved steering dynamics. Off-road capabilities have also seen updates with enhanced drive modes, including rock, sand, and trail, supported by 3 locking differentials and low-range gearing. Fuel economy remains modest due to the size and power of the vehicle. But the inclusion of the mild hybrid system helps to shave off some inefficiencies during city driving. And if you're looking at the electric future, Mercedes has announced that a fully electric G-Class variant, dubbed the EQG, is in the pipeline and expected to debut shortly after this model year. Pricing for the 2025 G-Wagon begins at around $145,000 for the base G550, while the AMG G63 pushes the sticker to well over $190,000 depending on options. With customization packages including executive rear seating, night package, carbon fiber trim, and high-end audio systems, it's not hard to spec this SUV past the $200K mark. That said, this is a vehicle that blends prestige, performance, and real off-road utility like no other luxury SUV on the market. That wraps up our in-depth look at the 2025 Mercedes-Benz G-Wagon. Whether you're a longtime fan of the G-Class or considering your first leap into luxury SUVs, this model stands as a testament to Mercedes' ability to evolve a legend while preserving its soul. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment letting us know what you think about the new G-Wagon. Until next time, drive safe and stay inspired.